Hi and welcome to this tutorial where we will walk through activating a renewed license for Modern Mobile Suite. This process will work for both Retail Management Hero and Microsoft RMS platforms. First, open up MMS and sign on as a user with the elevated manager credentials. Next, go to the menu and select Administration. And from the Administrator panel, go to the menu again and select Licensing. Here you can see where the previously entered license will expire. To extend this period, enter the email address and the password provided in the renewal email. And press License. And that's it. The MMS license has been renewed through the date now displayed. For more walkthroughs and troubleshooting tips for Modern Mobile Suite or other New West Technology software, check out the New West Technologies YouTube channel and be sure to subscribe for the latest updates on all of our platforms. And remember, current builds of all our software is always available at newwesttech.com/downloads.